Come, let us spill this already spilled juice and conclude on the last episodes of Uthando Nesthembu. So now these are the episodes that I made on TikTok that I shared with the people on my TikTok page. So enjoy them and tell me what you think about Uthando Nesthembu. Do leave a comment, but most of all, please, please, please subscribe. Let us get to 8,000 subscribers. I don't like that I can't do long videos because of this pity, right? And it's always pity these days. Can we talk about Uma Ngwabe right now? And tell me if I'm wrong, and if I'm wrong, I am going to apologize. It's either one, she does not respect time, or number two, maybe, yeah, I don't know, maybe if we say at a family gathering we are going to have lunch and lunch will be served at 2, we're not expecting anyone to be doing their makeup at 2. We are going to have lunch will be served at 2. Why are you doing your makeup during that time, knowing ukuthi ikhathi sihleliwe, right? Furthermore, you come with wearing one earring because whether you could not find a stopper. Here's my question. Did she not know about the dinner? Like, did she not know about the Last Supper? Because as in Domina, I feel ukuthi, yes, Umselegu is wrong in other things, but like they didn't say it's plain disrespectful, and it's plain barking. Yeah, you're disregarding your partner. And I know you guys can say, hey, she's out, she's tired, but she's still there. And for the fact ya gore o sa le mola, it means sa le mosadi a Mselegu. A ke itse gore la ntlhaloganya na. Mangu disebo song decide ukuthi ngihlale nomthweni. Ngithatha umfazi kaMthweni. Whether ukuthi mina I've clocked out of the relationship but I'm still in the picture. Yena he does not know. No noma clock out emotionally. Yena when he sees me as his wife. So what was so important with Mangwabe's makeup that it could not be done before supper? What was so important that Ugo could not honor the lunch, the supper, the whatever, and then ahambe ayodla? Like, I don't know. Maybe I'm reading too much into this whole thing, but I feel ukuthi abafazi, yes, they might be tired, they might, mara ba mo provoke monna o gore ba mo khotla banyakang ba ya gore musayireng a aswe ke stroke.